Guys, this car is insane. You ready? So you didn't have it in Sports Plus when you drove.
I didn't even have it in Sports.
So he's gonna drive in Sports Plus.
Yeah. Oh my god. I'm so dumb.
Oh. What is up, you guys? Welcome back to the channel. So this video is the most requested modification to be done on C32. You guys have requested this modification for so long. Finally, I'm doing it, and I'm excited to do it. This is the modification we're gonna be working with on the C32, and it's gonna be those headlights over there. So those are the updated headlights for the W203s, and these headlights are looking amazing. I got a steal on them on eBay. These actually look fantastic. So we're gonna take these and install them on the 32. Obviously you guys can see the old headlights. We take that out, and I don't know what I'm gonna do with them. They are pretty old. They still work though. Also, you guys that are wondering, and that a quick update on my Achilles. So pretty much this is halfway through week 4 post-surgery, and pretty much I've transitioned from just using my knee over my wheels to 50% on the boot. So I'm using crutches, and I'm putting 50% weight on it, but I'm using the crutches like most of the time. Soon I should be walking on my own. I should be getting out and about a lot more, also be able to easily make videos for you guys. Monica's gonna be helping me out on this video, because obviously, like, with crutches on my foot, it's gonna take a while. So jacked up the car just a little bit. I don't need to jack it up all the way to get the bumper off. You guys, I've taken off the bumper many times, and there's actually a lot of tutorials on how to take the bumpers off, so you guys go find that on YouTube. Since I've already taken them off and showed you guys how to take it off, I'm gonna take it off and let you guys know once we start swapping the headlights. Hopefully everything connects perfectly, because I'm looking at those headlights and it has only one connector, and this has 2 connectors to the headlights. So I don't know how it's gonna work out, but we'll see. Onto the headlights. So I can take these up. That should come out. Alright, so you guys come check it out. So this is what I was talking about. This headlight, it's kind of got like wires over here for the turn signal, and it's got one over here for, I believe, the parking slash, actually I'm not even sure, but there's another one over here also, and then there was a 4th one down here. So these are all like different wires than the actual headlight I have, but I do want to test it out, make sure. Look at that, 3 different connectors. Oh boy. Alright, let me go ahead and just hook up one of the wires that could hook up to the new headlight, and then if everything works like that and I don't need to hook up the other stuff, I don't know how that's gonna play out. But
he just randomly pulls up in a Porsche. What's happening right now?
I was expecting your BMW, and you pull up in this?
Yeah.
What in the heck? Dude, that exhaust sounds so good.
It does. You can barely hear it when the top is up though.
Really?
Yeah.
It sounds really good. I mean, I don't know if it's just you backing out, but on the road, it sounds like it'll...
Really?
Like...
Yeah, there's no like active like sport exhaust or anything. It's just always on. It's just
nice. Pulls up in this. I was expecting a BMW.
Yeah, we can still go cruising if you want.
Oh yeah, that would be fun.
Yeah.
How long do you have it for?
Just till tomorrow.
Oh, dang. How long have you had
This
it?
might.
Today?
Yeah, I just picked it up.
Okay, nice.
It's my Christmas present to myself.
Yeah.
Good year. You
Nice.
know, gotta celebrate somehow.
Dude, this has got to have some sort of aftermarket exhaust. There's no way.
There's no way it's just stock.
That's what I think. Dude, this is sick. What year is this?
It is. This is 17.
Oh, okay.
You talking about this up here?
Yeah, the digital clock. Or not the digital. Did I say analog and digital? I guess.
It's both.
But the analog clock, that's pretty sick, dude. On the center console.
Yeah, it's nice. It's both. It's digital and analog at the same time.
That's cool, though.
Yeah.
Dude, this is cool. I like it. All right, you guys. That was a fail on this. I'm gonna try and figure it out. Obviously, I don't think you could use these with headlights that have multiple connectors versus the ones that have just one connector. This came off of a W203, and honestly, I thought it would be the same. I'm pretty sure the list on this that is compatible with 32 and the other W203s, obviously. I don't think this was off of a C55, but if you guys know anything about if you guys know anything about these, like how they would work with the one connector on these, let me know in the comments down below. If not, I just have to get something that actually is just a one connector with the updated headlights. So that's it for now, but I'm not gonna leave you guys on this end of the video. I think you guys would love to see the 32 against the 2017 Porsche 911 Turbo S, right? We'll hit the road real quick and see how this thing does, just for fun. Dude, I'm pretty sure your exhaust is stock. Yeah. I'm definitely gonna pull some timing today, guys. It's warm today. What's the temperature? Let's see. Oh, it's 64. 64 outside. My IATs are just chilling at 86 right now. So, yeah, we'll see how this goes. Anyways, if it was colder, even better. Yeah. Oh, we'll see though. There is no way. There is no way. That thing is fast. It is fast. We'll try this one more time. That was a 60 row. He was gone. You know, I should have probably brought the E55 for this one, because he said the E55, but I was like, you know what? I want to see what the 32 can do. That's why we have the 32 out. It's just for fun, guys. But oh my goodness, he's gonna smoke me. Maybe we'll try a 40 row rather than the 60, because man, that turbo, that was crazy. Maybe we might even do a 20 row. We'll see. I think I should hook it with the 20 row, but I think 40 or maybe 50, we'll see. But 60, man, top end, he's getting me all the way. You ready? I will do another 40 right here. You ready? You want to go one more time? 40? Yep. Or 30. I will do a 30 row. Yeah, when that turbo kicks in, he's gone. Maybe try one more time. We'll try one more time. Let's do a 40. 40, yeah. And that was uphill, guys, on that one. I don't know what it is. I always get him on the 40, but once we hit, like, you know, upper numbers, then that's when he comes and takes off. Not too bad, not too shabby. I mean, like, top end, he's getting me all the way. From a 20 to a 40, I'm gone. I'm launching. I'm thinking it might be, I don't know if he's in the actual gear when doing a 40-row or a 20-row, because it seems like he's not in the power band. But if he was in the power band, I don't think it would have been even close. He would have been gone. But yeah, that's for fun. I figured I'll film this for you guys so you guys can see how this does against the 2017. That thing is ridiculously fast. I feel like the E55 will be a good matchup with that. Maybe the purple E55. Maybe, I don't even know if my stock E55 can handle that. I don't know. That thing, top end, that thing is pulling. Dude, this thing is fast.
It's so fast.
Oh my goodness.
I don't think I've even touched like how quickly it could go through.
It's quick. Dude, on those 40 and 20 runs, were you in the right gear? Because I don't know how I was getting you on those low.
The 21, I think I was in second.
On the 40 row?
On the 20.
On the 20 you're in second. Okay.
On the 40, I want to say I was in third.
Okay.
Yeah. But then
what was the RPM? Do you remember the RPM?
What'd you say?
Where you were at RPM wise when you were in third for the 40?
Yeah, I want to say between like 3,000 and 4,000.
Okay, that's okay. Yeah. And you redlined to like what, 8, 7?
7.
Okay. Yeah. So I would say you should have probably been in second.
Second?
Yeah, second for those, yeah, for sure. Yeah. I don't know how it works on this gear. Dude, I gotta say, yeah, this thing is quick. Like, once you hit top end, bro, you were gone. Those turbos kicked in. Yeah. I think once we hit 100, that's when you passed me.
Oh, yeah.
But throughout all those, it's because maybe you weren't in the right gear. I don't know.
I wasn't, like, I was just trying to
find the right gear, yeah. That's what I was thinking, because I was telling him, I was like, dude, maybe you should have been in a lower gear. It probably would have been even, and then you would probably just start pulling on me. Quick, I was telling him, like, maybe the E55 would have been a better matchup.
Yeah.
Not mine. Monica's E55, but I don't know. We'll see. Yeah, power-wise, do you know how much power it's making?
This is turbo S. I think it's 570.
570, yeah, dude. That's crazy, dude. Dude, that power kicks in so hard at top end.
And all-wheel drive.
Yeah. Oh, it's all-wheel drive. Yeah. I didn't know that, dude. That's amazing. You did good, girl. This is no matchup for you, but you did good.
I don't think it was stock.
Yeah, dude. The inside of this feels so amazing.
Oh yeah.
I am definitely test driving this real quick. All right.
This is so nice.
Let me start it. So Porsches, it starts on the left.
So what's this one?
Oh yeah. Dude, if you had like an exhaust on this, bro.
Yeah.
Sick.
I'm sure.
All right. Yeah, thanks.
I'm in drive.
Dude, is this electric? Oh, okay, sweet. Adjusting my seats real quick. Is it in parking? Do I have to pull the parking brake? Dude, I don't know if that's the turbo I'm hearing or... Oh, you know, it's the wind noise. Yeah, this feels amazing. Dude, so you... Oh my goodness. Holy... Dude! Oh! Dude, that is crazy. Okay, I'll turn it around right here. usually when you're in passenger, you would feel your stomach sucking in. Oh my gosh, bro. No. Dude, I'm selling the 32 right now. Dude, there's no way. I'm selling the 32, the E55, and we're going for this. Dude, this is crazy.
Okay.
Dude, I'm freaking you out.
Okay.
You guys, this car is insane. Oh my goodness, dude. Dude, when the turbo kicks in, dude, that amount of torque. Oh my goodness. So you didn't have it in Sports Plus when
I
you
didn't
drove.
even have it in sports.
So he's gonna drive in Sports Plus.
Yeah. Oh my god. I'm so dumb.
Oh. Dude, this Porsche is insane.